We are now in 2026 and you have set your goals, the things you want to achieve in this 2026. You have set your goals, your financial goals, about yourself, about your family, about your loved ones. You have set goals. So I want to ask you a question. Have you set goals about your channel? Where do you see your channel 2 months from now? Where do you see your channel 3 months, 6 months, 1 year? Where do you see your channel in the next year, 2027? Do you want your channel to still remain stuck as how it remains in 2025? No, set a goal for your channel growth. Let's say in this first half of the year or the first quarter of the year, I want to involve myself in studying my YouTube analytics, studying how my channel behaves, or better still, if you cannot navigate through the difficult path, you can look for a mentor. Look for a mentor, somebody who have been in that field before, somebody you trust the person, you have seen the growth in the person. You can meet that mentor. He will show you the easiest and proven ways. Let me tell you something. If you don't want to spend money on your channel will not grow. Because even the time you spend, if you want to convert that time to money, it will definitely means a lot. So you have to spend money. The data you put to watch out other people's content, if you want to convert that money, you can give it to another coach. You can give it to a coach who become your mentor, and he or she can walk you through how to grow fast on this YouTube.